Hello.
Another bomb. Isa pang bomb. Isa pang bomb. Ingat.
Come north side. Come north side. Come inside.
30% yung gate.
Hold northwest side. Hold northwest side. Yeah, deep. Yo, give me a fake, alakart. Ready defenses, careful front. Yo, we're just gonna hold northwest side. Death tanks once the gate breaks. Walk in.
Bomb squad
Yo,
stacking. Bomb squad stacking.
careful northeast over the wall. Careful northeast over the wall. Careful northeast over the wall. Careful. Okay, heal up, heal up. Just hold here. You see the crown? Spread kayo pa linya dito. There. Much better, okay? Yo, careful front. Help front, help front. Come back. Pa-cleanse naman or guard rune agad. Yo, gate's about to break, Death tanks, get ready to walk in. Get ready to hold their engage, okay? Careful people at the north side.
Melee bomb squad stacking. Bomb squad stacking.
Defend. Full defend. Okay. Oh, yo, pump pots here. Pop pots here. Death tanks, hold them. Give me a fake on the choke. Walk through. Southeast deep. East, by the stairs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the bomb squad now. Nice. Spread and brawl. Spread and brawl. Ready defense, Careful. Spread northwest side. Careful northwest side.
Bomb squad hitting.
Okay. Careful northwest side. Okay. Oh my god. Come back southwest. Okay, just hold. Hold lang. Hold. You walk up northeast now. Look at northeast. Get ready. Deep. 5, deep, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep. Come back now. You ready defenses? Spread. Defense shallow now. Okay, nice. Yo, careful. Bomb's gonna come soon, Hold lang. Yo, walk up. Death tanks, walk up. Yo, walk up. Walk up. DPS, walk up. Give me a fake shallow. Yo, walk up, people. Walk up. Hello. Yo, get ready. Northeast. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the crown. Clap this. Okay, nice. Come back now. I need more DPS hitting than that. Heal up. Bomb squad stacking. Careful southeast over the wall. Okay, nice. Okay. Hold lang. Walk up now. Yeah, ready defense here. Walk up lang. Hold. Spread. Spread. On the choke, get ready. Wait. Just spread there inside. Defense shallow. Okay, nice. They missed. The bomb squad missed, okay? Alright, hold. Yo, walk up now. They missed. Walk up now. Deep. 5. On the crown. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the crown now. And no DPS hits. Come back. Hold west side. Hold west side, okay? Yo, careful over the wall. Defense now. Okay, final crown. Walk up east. DPS, walk up east, please. Ang dadami neto. Walk up east. Final crown. On the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. Okay, everyone out. No more DPS. Oh my god. Why? How is it like before they even enter the gate, I'm already minus 7 people? Go Rigger. Minus 7 people before they even got to